Are you always on the lookout for smart, practical products that make everyday life easier, more organized, or just cooler? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we've handpicked 7 mind-blowing gadgets and tools that are game changers for your daily routine, travel, DIY projects, or even your car. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7, Camping Sleeping Pad. If you're a hiker or camper, the camping sleeping pad is your best friend in the wild. With its ultralight design and built-in inflator pump, this inflatable mattress provides the perfect combo of convenience and comfort. It's made with waterproof nylon plus TPU fabric, so whether you're camping on damp ground or rocky terrain, you'll stay dry and cushioned. It weighs only 550 grams and folds down to a compact 28 by 10 centimeters, perfect to throw in your backpack. The pillow is built in, and at 190 centimeters in length, it fits most adults. It's the ideal 3-season outdoor companion for adventurers who don't want to compromise on rest. Number 6, Magnetic Power Bank. Charging on the go just got smarter. The Magnetic Power Bank is a sleek, pocket-sized powerhouse with 10,000 mAh capacity, supporting both 15W wireless and 20W fast wired charging. Designed for iPhones and other MagSafe compatible devices, this alloy-made gadget comes with a digital LCD display that shows battery percentage and touch features. It supports USB Type-C and Lightning ports with 2-way quick charge. It's not just a charger, it's a high-performance, stylish backup battery that keeps you powered all day. Number 5, Sunglasses Clip Holder. Tired of fumbling for your sunglasses while driving? The sunglasses clip holder is the compact leather accessory every car needs. It attaches to your sun visor using a strong built-in magnet, holding your glasses firmly without scratching them or obstructing your view. It's stylish, durable, and fits universally in any vehicle, SUV, truck, or sedan. It even doubles as a mini storage space for cards or tickets. For just 45 grams of weight, this little clip delivers serious functionality, space. Number 4. Utility Steel Knife. Compact, strong, and reliable. The utility steel knife is a heavy-duty tool that belongs in every toolbox or drawer. Made of durable stainless steel, this 18mm all-metal cutting knife is ideal for DIY, paper cutting, wallpaper trimming, and more. Number 3. Diamond Knife Sharpener. Keep your blades razor sharp with the Diamond Knife Sharpener, featuring an 80 to 3,000 kilogram range on a honeycomb pattern sharpening surface. Number 2. Leather Chest Bag. Stay organized and stylish on the move with the leather chest bag. Made from genuine cowhide, this crossbody day pack is perfect for travel, daily commutes, or weekend adventures. It features multiple interior pockets, including slots for phones, wallets, and power banks. With a built-in USB charging port, you can power your devices while you walk. Soft yet durable, this bag blends fashion with function for modern men who carry smart. Number 1. Rotary Tool Kit. Meet your all-in-one DIY powerhouse, the Rotary Tool Kit from Hoto. This 35-in-1 cordless device is perfect for carving, sanding, grinding, and polishing. With a 2,000 mAh battery, it delivers 50 minutes of uninterrupted creative power and stores neatly on the stylish charging base. The tool features a 5-speed setting, a dust cover for safety, and a bright LED ring light for working in dark corners. Weighing just 250 grams, it's easy to use one-handed and includes a precision copper head clip compatible with all 3mm accessories. Whether you're into woodworking, crafts, or repairs, this kit gives you professional-grade control in a compact form. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.